this is a simple Wassce question, and I bet you during that time, unfortunately, a lot of them weren't able to solve this question during the Wassce time, and so in a way, you should take it very serious as we solve it together. Better reasons, I wish you pause the video and then you solve it yourself, and then from here, as we solve it together, you get to realize if you were right or if you were wrong. But all the same, if you're not with pen and paper, or if you're not interested in solving it on your own, kindly follow me as we solve it together. Okay, so the question says a body of mass 8 kg moves with an initial velocity of 12 meters per second. Okay, and then from here it says if the final velocity is reduced to 6 meters per second, we're supposed to calculate the loss in kinetic energy. So in here, the body is talking of mass, and then two velocities, initial velocity and then the final velocity. And then now the question is investing in kinetic energy. So you need to know some formulas for this work, and let me just start by giving my preface solution. Okay, so over here we are given some preambles and I'll list them. So we are given mass to be equal to 8 kg, and then initial velocity, I'll just velo like that, should be 2 meter per second, and then the final velocity, in this case I'll shorten this, is actually 6 meter per second. Okay, do you know that initial velocity is represented by u, and then the final is represented by v? Okay, so in this case u and v, u for initial velocity and then v for the final velocity. Okay, due to formula, with everything, we believe that the kinetic energy, the formula is actually half mv square or half u square. Okay, in this case half mv square is the final kinetic energy, and then half mv square, half mu square is the initial kinetic energy. Okay, so in this case, as the question demanded, you're supposed to calculate the energy loss. So if there is an energy loss, that means you are subtracting the smallest from the largest, and in this case I would rather say half u square minus half mu square. Over here you can actually subtract the half mu square from the half mv square, and then you are going to get a negative number, and then from there you just neglect the negative value, since the question has already made it clear to us that there is energy lost. Okay, so I'll continue from here. So I'll just chip in. So the kinetic energy lost is half mu square minus half mv square, or the kinetic energy lost is equal to absolute of half v square minus half u square. Okay, so with the absolute, it will just neglect any negative sign. Okay, so any of them is cool. Let me just take the first one. So half, and then the mass in here is actually 8, and then the initial velocity is 12 square. Okay, and then here our final one was half, the mass is 8, and then that one is 6 square. Okay, so half 8 144 minus half 8, and then here is 36. Okay, so with this the simplification should give us 576 minus 144. Okay, so from here the remainder would be 432. Okay, and notice that this 432 is actually energy, that is the kinetic energy lost. Okay, so in joules, so that's ke lost is actually 432 joules, and that is our solution. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I wish you all the best in your lessons, and please keep learning so that you pass your Wassce once and for all. If you're writing off deck, keep on trying your best so that this time you will get better results. Thank you very much. My name is Griffiths, and please don't forget to subscribe, as it is really important to learn with us.